It's Nyla who? It's Nyla what? It's Nyla who? It's Nyla Boo J It's Nyla Boo J
She's fine too, but I want you.
And hey, what's up? Hello, if you never been before, but if you've been before, hey boo, how are you? Welcome to a new vloggy vlog. So today is a home vlog, y'all. We home because today I was supposed to go into Boston to my friends get together, but y'all, being an adult, okay, I had to spend money to get my car fixed because how am I gonna get to work and everywhere else? So I had to pick spend money to get my car fixed or take a Uber because where my friend lives, I'm not able to drive. So I was like, you know what? We're just gonna take the big girl route, spend the money to get the car fixed. I'll see my girls another day, you know? Sad that I'm gonna miss out on them. Oh, we got a vocabulary word. Let's see. Saucy, having a pleasing curvy body. My body is saucy. So today we're opening up the video with a new wig. This wig is from Frodeo. I seen this wig on TikTok and I had to get it. This wig is gonna be such a cute summer hairstyle, especially for my kids. They're graduating, y'all. They're graduating Wednesday, and I'm so heartbroken. I'm so heartbroken, but it's gonna be okay. I got some food on the way that I'm also gonna try with y'all too. It's coming in 10 minutes, so let's do this wig install real quick. Let me open up my, actually I'm just gonna record on my phone because I wanna upload this video to TikTok too. But we're gonna spend this weekend cleaning, relaxing, just being productive, just taking this time to just get myself together. Okay, y'all gonna be seeing me looking up and down because my vanity is dirty, y'all. And I'm trying to like clean it up for the video, but there's like so much stuff on it. That's why I was like, yeah, I need to get my life together. I need to get my life together. Oh yeah, this is definitely giving summer. Definitely need to put some makeup on so it can match my hair. Alright, let me go and get my food and bring whatever I gotta bring into the car. And then I'll come back up with you guys. I got a headband on because I gotta finish customizing the look. But we got our Naya. So excited to try. I also will be recording too. So I got the classic chicken bowl. It's chicken, rice, tomato, lettuce, Lebanese pickles, and this like lemon sauce. I also got the garlic whip because everybody's been talking about it saying that it's good. So I wanted to definitely try it. I don't like how all my stuff is like right there. There we go. I never had a rice bowl that tastes so much flavor. Oh my god. And I'm a pickle girl, so we use lemon pickles. Y'all, I'm about to devour this down. Add some videos and then come back. It's so good. I have a lot of videos to edit. My cats are influencers. So I have to edit their video. I also have to edit my cooking video that I gotta post tomorrow. On top of that, I'm vlogging today. On top of that, I have to also record 2 videos for a girl. Enter the chat. If y'all have not seen my podcast, go check it out. I like to record 2 videos for it. That way, it keeps me ahead of the game. But I'm about to enjoy my bowl. I'll chat with y'all later. Finally going to build my bathroom storage. Y'all, this has been sitting on the floor for a hot minute. So we're about to assemble these pieces together right now. Y'all gonna do it with me. It goes here. They gave us a screwdriver. Broke it. Hopefully that doesn't do anything. Alright, y'all, I finished my little cabinet. Now I'm about to fill it up with stuff and then I'm gonna put it in the bathroom.
The one and only Messy Maj. All the girls located right beside me.
I ain't gonna lie, that's a lot going on, son. I ain't gonna lie.
I repeat, don't like them. Yours is located in the other room, not only by herself, but with her sister as well.
Yeah, I was hearing little stuff and back and forth that they was coming like
The rumors.
Kiki walked in the restroom room. She like she here to take your stuff off. Just ask her like what you want.
Like, Bo was like, do you want to fight me? And Magic was like, yes.
That is strong on her instantly.
This is how it looks in my bathroom. Now we gotta go clean the closet. Let me show y'all the closet. Yeah.